Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and today's video is going to be a step-by-step zigzag cornrow tutorial. In this video I will be showing you 3 ways you can make your zigzag cornrow. If you want to see the 3 ways you can achieve the zigzag cornrow seamlessly, then continue to watch. The first way you can achieve the zigzag cornrow is by sectioning the hair into smaller portions, just the way you saw us do in this video, or you part the hair into sections as you plait. Then you begin to plait each section from one section to the other in a zigzag motion, just the way you see us do in this video. When you are done plaiting the sectioned parts of the hair, then you just cornrow in a straight motion downwards, and that is it for this first way of making the zigzag cornrow. The second way you can achieve your zigzag cornrow seamlessly is after parting your hair straight to the back. You portion it into smaller portions in a vertical way, just the way you see us do in this video. As you portion, you tie it into a knot. I feel this one is easier to work with. This is like my favorite way of achieving the zigzag cornrow, because this way you don't have any hair coming in the way of another one. You just begin to lose the knot you have tied and plait as you go in a zigzag form or in a snake form. The third way you can achieve the zigzag cornrow is by sectioning the hair into portions. Then when you section one portion, you pull it to the left, you section another portion, you pull it to the right. You keep repeating till you have reached the point where you want to stop the zigzag cornrow. That is the point where you now plait straight down when you've exhausted the small portions you have portioned for the zigzag cornrow. Please, if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye, and see you in my next one.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.